Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be really quick. It's not a long haul. Again, this is a brand specific haul from Show Off. Earlier I did one more haul with this brand and I really liked the fabric and quality, so I am back again with another haul. In that haul, I showcased 5 kurtas with the one bottom. If you have not seen that video, I have given the link in the description. You can check that out. Coming back to this haul, here I am showcasing 4 kurta sets. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so let's start with this first one. This one is white or off-white or soft white, whatever it is. It looks absolutely traditional, no confusion there. It's an anarkali style and you can see it the moment you put it on. The flare, the fall, that movement when you walk. What's doing the work here is this embroidery. It's multicolor, very fine and delicate. It is not loud, but it is definitely there, especially the yoke. You keep looking at it without even realizing. Neckline is simple Mandarin style with front button placket. Nothing dramatic. But it actually works because embroidery is doing all the talking here. Sleeves are 3/4 and there are again the contrast border here, which is actually a print which is matching with this embroidery. Below the yoke, there are pleats which opens up nicely and gives this gentle flare which feels soft and relaxed, not too much volume. Then again, it is finished with same embroidered border, so everything feels really coordinated and put together. Set comes with matching fully elasticated palazzos. Again, the embroidery is there on the hemline, so everything looks very clean and graceful. This soft white color with multicolor embroidery gives that proper traditional feel. I would wear this look when I want to look little dressed up but not festive, like family stuff, small gathering, that zone. This is a kind of set which will stay in your wardrobe for really long time and you will not get bored of it because there is nothing trendy here. As usual, styling is very simple with these pearl studs, silver bracelet. For the footwear, my go-to must harbor heel, and I added a contrast bag just to break this white little bit. That's it. This one doesn't need much help. Okay, I am putting this next two together because they are almost same. Almost. Both are in beige color, both has black print, both are made in very soft cotton fabric. Very clean, very classic. But I bought both on purpose because they feel different on body. This one is very structured. The moment you put it on, it feels really sharp. Straight cut, Mandarin collar, front button placket, rolled up sleeves. This one knows what it's doing. This one I would wear when I want to look little more put together. It has office energy, sharp, clean lines. Print is on one shoulder and on another side hem. Looks really minimal. Nothing is floating around. Now this next one. It is still in beige color. Same black print, small round neckline and rolled up sleeves again. But the vibe is totally different. This one opens up. There are pleats at the front which falls in gentle flare below waist. It has curved hemline which changes everything. It has nice floral black print which covers the full front part. It doesn't look heavier but just feels softer and more traditional. I styled both these pieces exactly same with silver oxidized jewelry. Look at these earrings. Bracelet for the footwear, my Carlton London heels because they are matching with the black print. And I finished these looks with my Lavi signature bag. And honestly, both works for office. It only depends how you want to show up that day. One is modern and crisp Other one is soft and flowy. But I have my favorite. But I am not saying it. You tell me. Okay, confession first. I ordered this assuming it's a kurta set. But what I received is only kurta. But I didn't even mad at this because look at this. Isn't it beautiful? This is a really long kurta. So you can wear it with a black trouser, white trouser, or as it is as a dress, and it will look super gorgeous. No effort. Now let's talk about fabric first. It is that voile like super soft cotton. So when you wear it, it feels really light and easy. It is a sheer fabric, but it is lined properly, so no see-through stress. And the color is white. No off-white, no cream, pure white. And there is this gorgeous black embroidery all over. It is not heavy, but it keeps catching your eyes. It is empire waist kurta and flare comes from knife pleats, which is interesting because you don't see these kinds of pleats so often in Indian outfits. Neckline is V and this gorgeous delicate embroidery sitting around it. Then there is this yoke which is covered with this embroidered border. Looks super pretty. Sleeves are 3/4, where first there is embroidery and then this contrast border. Looks super gorgeous. Then this hemline is also finished with nice embroidery detail. So overall, it is super cool and gorgeous look. I styled this gorgeous kurta with my favorite pearl earrings, silver bracelet, and my clear heels. And I finished this look with my Lavi signature bag. Though I didn't receive the full kurta set, but I really love this kurta. So that's it for today's haul. It was a really quick and short haul, but each piece I love very much. And trust me, the fabric quality and fits are awesome. So tell me in the comments which one was your favorite. And I'll see you soon with another styling story. Bye till then.